Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize monday.com to use advanced permissions for guest users, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your monday.com account.
Navigate to the main workspace where you want to apply the advanced permissions.
Locate the workspace settings by clicking on the three dots next to the workspace name. Select Workspace Permissions from the drop-down menu.
In the permissions settings, find the option for Guest Access. Enable the toggle for allowing guest users to have advanced permissions. Next, specify the level of access you wish to grant these guest users.
You can choose between view-only access or full access to specific boards.
After selecting the appropriate access level, click Save to apply the changes.
Now, head over to the boards you want to share with guest users. Open the board and access the board settings by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Invite from the options provided. In the Invite section, enter the email addresses of the guests you wish to invite. Make sure to select the correct permission level for each guest. After inputting the necessary information, click on Invite Guests. Once the invitations are sent, the guest users will receive email. After they accept, they will have access based on the permissions you set. If any adjustments are needed later, simply return to the workspace permissions or board settings. Ensure to regularly review guest access to maintain security and relevance. This concludes your complete guide on authorizing monday.com for advanced permissions for guest users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.